Our people are our greatest asset. You know, we have to invest in them, and we have to give them the right training for them to be effective in their role. And if we don't do that, then we're letting them down. So this is why that's really important for us. I'm Phil White, Chief Maintenance Officer for United Utilities. I live in Manchester. Learning and development is really important for United Utilities. We do a lot of upskill of our people across many different departments inside the organisation. But specifically looking at it from a maintenance and reliability perspective, we realised that it was an area where we could grow a new curriculum and really develop our people and teach them new skills. So we invested a lot of time, a lot of resources, a lot of effort into creating the best curriculum that we can for our people. No, I don't think everybody understands reliability, and there's definitely differing levels of understanding within the organisation. And one of the things that we've done is to create our own training course, Maintenance and Reliability Fundamentals, and we've rolled that out to about 1,000 people in the organisation already. Probably got another 500 to come, and that gives everybody an overview and introduction into what maintenance and reliability is. Some of the training that we do is classroom based, and that is around knowledge, but there is a lot of other training that we've done, particularly on the competency based stuff, which is skills that people use every single day whilst they're doing maintenance activities. So for example, we took all our lubrication technicians through acoustic lubrication training, and then we deployed a new kit and new equipment and new tools to them to go and do that, so they were using that straight away. And the next big exciting things that we're currently rolling out to around 400 of our engineers is some vibration and condition assessment tools. So we're currently doing that training with them, and as soon as they've done the training, they go out and put those skills into practice. Yeah, without a doubt, I think we're bringing them up to what I would say is some of the current standards that are out there in maintenance and reliability. I think new tools and techniques come along all the time, and for us it was a case of catching up with what other parts of industry were doing. And of course, if we give them the latest tools and equipment and training, it's going to make their job easier, right? And obviously it will make our assets a lot healthier too. The Uptime Elements framework for us is really easy to understand. And the way that it's split with the domains and then down into the individual elements, you can actually relate to that and let people know what element or what domain you're actually working in. For some of our leaders within the organisation, particularly because of the way we use the Uptime Elements framework, we need to do more, and that's where CRL comes in, so that we can actually pick certain leaders within the organisation and give them more development and more upskill around what reliability really is. We have an aim, and in our aim it's to be recognised as, one of the industry's best in terms of maintenance and reliability. Receiving this award is really that external verification that we're on the right track. We believe that we're doing some great stuff, but it's really important to get other people validating the work that we're doing, and that investment in our people, it makes this really special because it actually shows that we're really serious about maintenance and reliability, but we're also really serious about investing in our people and making them the best that they can possibly be.